Hey Tug followers, Keith and Clint here unboxing the Lighten Sleep Serene Comfort Plush Mattress. This is a 13-inch hybrid mattress. Comes with a 100-night sleep trial and a 20-year warranty. Without further ado, Clint, let's open her up. It's kind of tall. Good thing you're on that side. There you have it, guys. The Lighten Sleep Serene Comfort Plush Mattress. This thing is recovered fairly nicely, although you're gonna wanna give it probably 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. In terms of off-gassing, there's a little bit of a smell there. What do you think, Clint?
Yeah, just a little. It's not too bad, though.
No, it's definitely not too bad, and that should dissipate within the first week. We're gonna let this guy regain its shape, and then we're gonna see what we think. And we're back. We gave this guy 24 hours to recover, and it still could potentially use a little bit more time, but it's looking good now.
I like the way it looks.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, it's tufted. It's not the most responsive bed. There's definitely, you feel the spring system, but these comfort layers do respond a little more slowly. It does have a softer plush feel to it. So firmness, this definitely feels like a softer bed to me. I'm gonna put it at a 5 out of 10 on the firmness scale. How do you feel, Clint?
I mean, that sounds about right. This top does feel pretty soft.
Which position do you feel most comfortable in on the bed, Clint?
I feel good on my side. I feel like I get it sink in just enough.
I do as well. I could definitely go side or back. I tend to be a side sleeper anyway, so I would sleep on my side on this bed.
Yeah, I'm combination, but I would choose side as well. I think it feels really good on the side.
Feel like you're sleeping. It's a mix of on and in the bed. You don't sink super deep, but it definitely conforms. So this could certainly work for combination sleepers. I mean, I'm an average weight sleeper, and so I'm finding this pretty comfortable across the board.
I switch positions a lot, and I feel pretty good. Like I could change pretty easy.
Yeah, I don't get that stuck feeling at all with the bed, even though it is a plusher, softer mattress. Real question is, motion isolation, can you feel me, Clint?
A little bit, but it's not too bad, actually. Can you feel me?
Let's see. Feel a little bit there when you move around. Not too bad. Edge feels good. If I'm laying close to the side of the bed, I feel quite supported here.
It feels nice. Yeah, the edge feels good.
Yeah. Edge support is actually,
I mean, it sinks a little.
sinks a little at the edge, but it's pretty good.
But you can feel the springs.
Yeah, the coils definitely hit you and they keep you up. In terms of temperature neutrality, we haven't slept on this thing for a full night, but we're gonna guess that it would perform decently well there. I mean, there are foam layers here and it is a softer bed, so you're gonna sink a little bit deeper. It still gives you a little bit of that floating feeling, but since you're in it a little bit more, it's possible that it heats up slightly, but it should be all right when it comes to temperature neutrality. So there you have it, guys, the Lighten Sleep Serene Comfort Plush Mattress. Again, to give a little bit of a recap, it's a 13-inch hybrid bed. We put this bed at a 5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, so it is a plush option. This probably is a great bed for lighter to average weight sleepers. especially those who sleep on their side. You're gonna get some conforming and pressure relief out of the mattress. Looks nice, edge support seems to be solid, and temperature neutrality should be pretty good on this bed, we're guessing, based on the construction. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts available only to Tuck followers, check the description below the video and the full written review at tuck.com. Check us out on social media. We're always doing great giveaways, and we'll keep you up to date on the latest and greatest in sleep. Sleep well.